I hope you guys are okay. I'm fine as well. So I'll be making some okra stew, known as super kanja, but the white one. So that's my okra here. So this is my okra. Last time when I do my monthly shopping, I always buy my okra, wash it, and then cut them, put them in my freezer. So that's the okra here, and then here I got 2 onions, white onion and spring onions, and then this is scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper as well. I blend with the onions. So for protein, I have my smoked chicken here, and then that's my meat, my cow stomach, and some cow food in here. So now I'm going to be adding my blended onions and pepper and spring onion into my smoked chicken. So like so. So now I'm going to add the water of this cow food meat that boil here. You can use any meat of your choice. So I'm going to scoop all the meat and put them here, like so. You can use any meat of your choice. Today I'm not going to be putting any fish in here, but you can add fish on yours if you want to add fish. I mean, the cow leg and the cow stomach, there's the cow leg here, there's the cow stomach there. I mean, they take time to cook, so I cook them in my pressure cooker. So because the smoked chicken, that one doesn't take time to cook, so I'm going to cook that with the onions here. So I'm going to add the stock into it. Bring them to boil. So I'm bringing into boil here. I'm adding my dry locust beans, known as netted too. You can add any amount you want. I'm adding 2 jumbo cube seafood one. Adding 1 spoon of Maggi aroma. So I'll leave everything to boil here. Now I'm going to be adding, you see the water have gone down. Everything has been cooked now. So I'll just add my okra, known as lady's finger. leave it here to cook. So that's my okra now. It's nearly getting ready. So I will now add my cooked meat now, because this is one that I cook in the pressure cooker. So that's my okra stew. My white okra stew is ready now. I don't want it too thick because I'm going to be eating it with pounded yam. I'll be eating some fufu. So now I'm going to cook my pounded yam. I mix it like a baby food. This is the pounded yam that I'm using. So I will now add the powder like so and mix it. Just make the one that will be enough for you and your family. That's my pounded yam. Now I'm going to add a little bit of warm water because I love my fufu to be soft, my pounded yam. I love it when it's soft. Leave it cook after we come and mix it again. I love it when it's nice and soft, so I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes. So that's my fufu. Can you see? Now here, it went very, very soft now. Now it's ready. So I'm going to be tying everything here in the plastic bag. So I'm going to put the cloth here to keep them warm. That's my bowl of water. So this is how I'm going to be doing it. So just do the amount that is enough for you. Everything in here till everything to keep everything warm. So that's everything here. So this is how I keep it warm. So this one, keep everything warm here. So that's my okra stew here. So thank you for watching, everyone. Stay blessed. If you are my old subscriber, thank you so much. My new subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you as well, everyone.